Welcome to another fun day of projects at Wogger's World. I've got several ideas for some videos that I'll be doing, but today's video is about the tailgate table. Now you've seen those, you can buy them, they're pretty expensive for what they are, I think. But it flips down and a cutting board slides out of it, like so. Pretty cool and everything. Wife likes it, doesn't want me to destroy it, so I'm doing a prototype with this board behind me. But I'm going to cut it this shape so it fits right in, and we'll keep this, we'll take it with us so we can do both. But I'm going to make a cutout for this portable sink. So it'll sit down in the cutout and sit right there on the tailgate. Not a bad idea, huh? There may be someone else out there who's thought about it, but I'm going to do it today, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. My wife wanted me to turn this pallet into a table. I think I might keep it. Anyway, I'm going to put this here. Get started. Okay, so let me get my head in here. How's that? We got our piece of plywood here. First of all, I better check the thickness. And perfect, same thickness. So we're going to put it here in the corner, and we're going to cut out the same shape. You see that? One of the corners. We're going to cut out the same shape. Now for this dude, I'm going to make a cutout so this part fits here, and then this edge, this lip will sit on top. So I gotta draw around this thing. I'm going to use a pencil so I can erase it later. I could probably sand it off too. Tape measure. I think I'm going to come in. It's going to be kind of thin, as you can see. Probably it'll be. This is the one part I'm worried about, getting thin and breaking off, but probably going to be a little under an inch on either side, but this end I can bring in as far as I want. I'm going to come in 2 inches. There. 2. Measure across here. 9.5 approximately. This is 11 7/8. So 11 7/8 minus 9.5 is you quick mathematicians out there. any of you other guys, YouTubers out there who run into this problem with this stupid quick app for these GoPros, but scared the bejeebies out of me. Like, I've been out here for an hour or more and said I didn't have any video on my camera, so I had to go in the house and reinstall the app, and oh my gosh. Anyway, back to it. So we got our outline. I'm going to get my jigsaw, saber saw, whatever you call it, and we're going to cut this out. Probably should have checked to see if it fit in there prior to doing all this work. However, it feels fairly sturdy. I suppose it could if there was a little pressure or break, but you're going to have to be careful with it. Hopefully. See? Alright, here we go. Bada bing. Very nicely done. I think that's going to work out great. Does feel a little flimsy. I might look into, with the weight of the water, 8 pounds per gallon, pushing in dishes. I'll probably look for a stiffener and just stiffen this up with an L bracket, and then we'll be able to just stick it in and leave the sink in it. You don't necessarily have to go buy another board. I did that because this was kind of an idea, prototyping thing, but you could cut it out of your cutting board and still have a cutting board. What I mean is, this is the exact same shape, piece size as the cutting board that came out. So, pull out your sink, put this around, back to a cutting board. Just like that. Flip it around. Comes the sink. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit like, please, and subscribe, because I'm going to be doing other videos. We're getting ready for a big trip to Utah. So I'm fixing this thing up, setting it up for overlanding and being off the grid with hot water, electric, all of that stuff. I've got to share with you, so looking forward to it. You guys take care and have a good day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. I got several more how-to DIYs, trying to keep the cost to a minimum. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.